Good afternoon student. Today we are going to discuss about iteration statement. Already we are learned what is the iteration statement. We are using the iteration statement in the program. So one statement we will read the for statement. For statement. So how can implement the for statement in the loop? The following line describe the working of above given for the for loop. First is for I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So this is the I equals 0 is the installation expression, I less than 10 is the text expression, I plus plus is update expression. So that is another body of the loop, and here the body of the loop contains single statement, no need to use in the curly braces. So they display the value of I mean will execute and display the result of this here. So the first the variable I is in slice, and I what is the value we are getting? 0. I equal to 0. So next is compared with 10. So 0 less than 10 they compare, the value of I will be displayed 0. So first value will be your display the 0. And next less than 10, the value of I is incremented. I means another 0 plus plus means another you get the value of 0. So in this way the up to the number 0 to 9 are displayed once the I become 10. So once the I becomes the 10, it is no longer, so the controls come out for the loop, they have displayed the result will be in the program. So next one program they will given C plus program, sum of the numbers from I to 10 using for the loop. So here they will be using include HyoStream using namespace standard and integer main. This is a main program, open braces, and integer we are getting the data type is the integers, we get the variable I and sum equal to 0. This is we are using the for loop, I equal to 1, started the value is the 1, I less than equal 10, I plus plus. This is the execution. First one is the another installation, and second one is what is that text expression, third one is the update expression. Here we are another execute the processing, sum equal to sum plus I. What is the value we are getting? The sum 0. What is the value? 0. So 0 plus I value we are implemented 1. So we get that output is the 1, sum equal to 1 up to 10. So the sum of 1 to 10 is what is the value written mean? The sum of 1 to 10 is what is the output will given? 55. What is the output will come? 55. So the what is the variation of the loop? The for is one of the most important looping statement in the C++, because it all several variation. This variation increase the flexibility and applicability for the for loop. So the variation must be discussed. So first is the multiple installation and multiple update expression, how we are using in the for statement. The multiple statement can be used in the installation and update expression of this multiple installation and multiple update expression are separated, each will be separated by we are using the comma. First one hash include HyoStream, this is the header file, using namespace standard is the keywords, integer main also keywords, and open brace. Here we are getting the variable I comma j, so integer is the data type. So how they will be implemented? Multiple installation, first is the I equal to 0, j equal 10. What is the installation? Multiple installation, I equal to 0, j equal to 10. We are checking the two variable, I less than j. So here the incremented I plus plus, j decrement minus minus. So multiple updation and multiple installation we are using in the single statement of for loop. So here we want to get the value of I is I, the value of j is j. So first we are implemented I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. We are getting the value of up to another I less than j, up 0 less than 0. Okay, so the value of 0 is, the value of j is equal to 10, first value decrement, and next is the value of I is 1, the value of j equal to 9. So next is the value of I is 2, the value of j is, what is the value we are getting? 8. So decremented, this is the increment and this is the decremented. So understood student, remaining part we have see the next class. Thank you.